Let's get to the operation of connecting your phone with your watch, or your phone or watch with your phone. And I previously installed the Gshock connected application on my phone. So let's see how it all functions. Cool intro. And over here you have the all of the agreements of this watch on this application. So I basically have to read all of it and agree to the all parts of it. And okay, allow, activate the Bluetooth. So activate the Bluetooth. Okay, and here we have the array of the watch. So here is the Gsteel B300. Go like that. To connect, please push the button on the watch. Since the watch cannot be connected while stop the stopwatch. Okay, hold 1.5 seconds. There it is, connecting. Register to the watch to the app, and we have the pretty simple user time zone date that was updated. Okay, and as I previously set the value for my second, or the world time, is the Halifax. There is some cool intro for the, so let's see what's there to offer. You have the guide to watch, you have the world time, you have the utility over here. No, I want to go to utilities. You have the alarm, you have the timer. What's there to offer? See the settings, GST phone finder settings, you have the volume, watch display settings. So basically settings that I was doing on your watch manually, you can do it using the application over here. Setting the operation tone, set the time for connecting to this app, time adjustment, light settings, power saving settings, adjust the home position, summertime, and basically a basic watch functions of the this watch. Cool application, I have to say. And the user interface, you have the alarm, you have the option to turn on the timer, and those would be the basics of the watch operations or the phone application. And once you're connected with your phone, you have the seconds hand basically showing you or moving to the connect position on the watch. And let's see, when I press the disconnect button, okay, it gets to the standard timekeeping mode. Well, I previously disconnected the watch from the phone, and that's done by pressing the any button on this watch. And now we're going to see the operation of deleting the pairing information from the phone as well as the watch. Well, from the phone it's easy, just press this button over here, and that's in the settings button. So deleting the pairing registration, and so you have the no watch on this app registered. And when you get to the registering your watch again, you have the phone to or the app to choose between the watch models. Now, deleting the pairing information from a watch, that's done in the standard timekeeping mode. Hold down the D button to enter the standard timekeeping mode, and that's done if you are not in the standard timekeeping mode. Hold down the adjust button for at least 2 seconds until the name release the button when the name of the currently selected home city appears on the display. So pressing the D button or the mode button twice, this causes the seconds to flash. Hold down the reset button for at least 2 seconds and release it when the CLR stops flashing. This deletes the pairing information from the watch and returns to the timekeeping display. So let's go. So pressing the reset button for at least 2 seconds. And there it is. That's basically it. Once you're done, just pressing the adjust button returns us to the standard timekeeping mode.